If you pay me, I will show you happy. You are president of the world. Send me and the work to know. Come on, walk for Bible. Also, walk on Friday. Yeah, please, my dear, you know, please. And what kind of crazy? Then I a whole boy waiting for one company. Look at me as a penny. Hey, me as a penny. If you're so company cashier, accountant to me, oh, at least. Every day, double case cashier. A date, which are 2 million. I'm talking about you, Elizabeth. So now, never ever. Let me pay girl, man. Oh, baby, I'm
Boss, Matthew and Power. I must say, I'm waiting up for my girlfriend. About chase, so I'm waiting up for you. And I'm saying, an idea about only love you. So,
you are welcome.
So, thank you, boss. How are you?
Yeah. It's true. That's our job, that's our profession. We take people to every country that you want. Only Africa. You don't go. You go to outside. America, US, Canada, Australia. So today we are here to help people at the village to go to in other countries, because every time we see somebody in ATADWE, the person at Kumasi, Sunyani, Accra, Bekum, the big cities. But now the government came and we consulting that we too want to do a business to take the village people to ATADWE. So we are the village travel and tour ambassadors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are three.
Nice.
If you pass us,
You
will not get anyone again.
I've heard that.
Yeah. So, which country do you want to go?
I want to go to America.
America, yeah, you deserve in America the way you speak. Are you have you stayed in a different country before?
No, this is my first time of traveling, so I want to go to America.
Yeah, speak aloud, please.
So I want to go to America, like, this is my first time.
This is your first time that you want to travel?
Yes, sir.
You have never traveled before?
No, sir.
Then I'll make you sit in the MP.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
sir. I'll be happy.
I will be the first person to take you to sit in the MP.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Apart from me, no one can take you there.
I
So I
know.
can't escort her.
Escort me.
Unless you pay for yours.
You too, you want to go there?
No, I want to bring her to the airport.
You can bring her to the airport, but
But
you
you
can't
can't follow her. You can't follow her.
The minute you can take her to the airport,
But you can't follow her too.
Debut, assembly say, I be 3 days. Na plane net one. I was so babeda, baby Eddie, young Crawford, no doubt.
Hey, it was 3 days.
As for that one, you have to know already. Because you go to medicals.
Okay.
Do you have passport?
Why?
Do you have birth certificate?
Yes, sir.
You have birth certificate.
I'm
How old are you?
I'm 24, sir.
24. And because we take from 18 to 30, so you can qualify.
Oh, okay.
Thank
You
you.
qualify.
Oh, thank you, sir.
So bring the money out, please.
Oh, okay.
So I'm giving you just a week for you to bring the balance, okay?
Babe, you see all this money I'm giving out.
Don't worry, I'll give you more money when I come.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
But don't forget, this one is just for the medical. So.
Boss, don't worry. I want her to go. I'll try my best. Even if I'll sell my house and sleep at the
And
station.
do you know one thing? I want to help you. Because the Bible says, if you don't help someone, God will never help you. So I know all the quotations from Genesis to Revelation, and I'm a son of God. I preach and I talk to people to change from their character to another.
Is it that?
Yes, please.
I no kure say emrante ne bahadi akontumi semetu nanso no mukoye no madadwe ho say ejapade yi mekoto ne sesie na sam de maboko na say amwa ye be de yedi
ama nso mo ba wa mammo omotase de ade na edin aboton na edin afa ade so hwe obobọ he em de mi sisa mepam ade ha so sisa won pam ade ehwa no so kwa Ghana fa ho kwa botuma pam he nteri bia mo mo ato ye benye sika ne da ba beton ade na kan e ka de ne to de mentase
Tunani. Betimi kwa do ye ba ye betuma ba ba.
ni de mi hye ma adamfo bi o so opedan nti mi ka kire de bia asase no o so opede bi obeya nti botum pa aton fie na ama no na ye de akọ ya ba ye be kwa akọ hwe bi ozongo ho na ekwa ekosi wi dan ho
enkora na modie mu koto ni amosi aba
mesi
ye mu kan ewo mo na so se si ya me soro na me koto nton kokofo no ne ayi ejapade ni nyina na sam de mammo se mu fa kwa abotire na se amwa ye be ye den ye didi
ma ye ba bua
Ya jidie se ebe yi. Why?
ma ba bua se ne ayi wa no edan na mekan yimpa no ko so be factory da koko eyi fe den nto ojudan obejudan mpo o se beto enyenka ebenye ska na onju no onya ne no face kama yen franco yenye ska e besen ye bebe si bu ozongo ha mo edan ye hu asase bu ho yimpa na lo pe
wani abre pa o me koto ankafuo enkoto kokofuo ensa meto fie ne nka ho na yensa meto na se nkete mo nyanko ya hemfa na mo beda
ya do baka akama da tepozo obeju onezo ya hadi
Tunani. You rather.
oje wakamati enani kire ya metu ho na mo
Mpa ya twen ache.
nti de be si bi ya no mo so
nko de uta maye no nton no fa hen ko ne je hodo de kwankwa mi mokọ kwankwa mo tofe na ma akọ mokọ fina ho
kasa atan wo kware wo so wa mtan ya wo kota ye kura de amman kasa abasa bi de wo tere ban
Idoma.
yo ya de jim from akakra wai
Yo.
Enkula we pa pese me to Japani se ammonia na ye den
Precious. Cecilia. There's a few weeks one her movement in that.
Miniature power.
Yeah.
For one for winning to me, she are coming to be my credit me.
Now, debut to whom is I no fine boy. I also made that banner.
See, Jamie, the deputy, and I'm sure me, I will come on to make us say, a moment can you pay.
Oh, Debbie, me a pap. What I say, I'm always on point. They make a be a me yo. They make a be a me yo. Now, when the person me yell me boss surprise me because they say be a wounding but to do hard man na be say yes sa kwa no waka and wa yen so the senior man be wo oh no say the me no movement when him say because of winter no girls na me no mo ye my log o mo nyina out current one year no kwa me promising say me worry my logging out oh
sure.
my logging out share now menya precious somebody like you are oh Charlie forget it oh my logging out into no me push one man senior man now who kwakọ you office work
Sir?
oh yeah me make sure say obey general manager
Me.
yes
I'm the man who school in grade 2.
oh
I'm not be church him.
na me no chat no when the net
Oh,
type
say any day different general manager me mass friend can I require them.
and no t me can say okoya accountant me see obey manager
Man
what you say t see ano ye wo earpiece bi an you see I translate kasa what you say me work is an money nyina out am
But to be a man.
yes te no ani say odi she waso what you say ti kasa bi o meka bia no beti ase papa te say de ye ka twi ya omo ka blof na what you say twi on sa movement no forget it kra what you say enye more like that's how they na me hadi kai kakra